Hey guys, Crispy Vids, welcome back to the channel. So today we've got the Native Union leather AirPods case to unbox for the third generation AirPods. I have done an unboxing for the case for the second generation. I've also done an unboxing for the AirPods themselves, the third generation ones, and comparing them to the second generation ones, comparing the stem and size and everything, so you can check that out on the channel. But today we have this one. Now this is from Native Union. They do only a couple of cases for the third generation. So you've got the leather case in black and tan, and you've got the curve case in the 4 colors along the bottom here. And the curve case is a silicone case. You've also got AirPods beanies, which is just a beanie that you slip over the AirPods. I quite like the leather case because it provides a little bit of bounce protection. It's not hard plastic, and it doesn't get stuck in your pocket, which was my main gripe with all the other AirPods cases that I've tried. Silicone ones, even some leather ones that I've tried. The leather's not nice and smooth like the Native Union ones are, and when you put it in your pocket it just gets stuck on the way in and out, so it's a little bit of a pain. But these, they patina well, they're sustainable leather, they're all fully genuine, they're all handcrafted, and I really like them, so I thought I'd give you a look at one for the third generation. So just a little bit of a description: fully wrapped leather for your AirPods. That's what it looks like in black. That's what it looks like in the tan color just there. So if you do have a tan leather case for your iPhone, it is nice to get the same color, but I have black, so I stuck with black. Now, designed to age beautifully with patina uniquely to you, handcrafted with care. So every single case is unique. One might be, you have a look at the stitching and you can tell that it's all handcrafted. There's a little bit of a wobble in the stitching as it goes past, but that adds character and makes it uniquely yours. So it's sleek and thin, yet reliably protective, and it's compatible with the Qi wireless charging system. So let's get this out of the box and have a bit of a look at it. So straight out of the box, it's 2 separate items. So one slips on the lid and one on the base, and there's a little bit of packaging just in there. So it's got this nice micro suede inside, and these little tiny grip pads just on the side here that help hold it in position. And to be honest, I've never had the case fall off my AirPods second generation. If you were being really rough with it, you can push that off obviously, but I've never had it just fall off while using it. You can see there, it's just every time it just perfectly works and feels great. So what I normally like to do is slip that bottom one on first, so you can just slip that on till it meets up with the line, and then you line up that side with the hinge side and slip the top on like that. Now, the other thing I like about the Native Union is it's got a nice join across the middle. Like, it's not too big, it's not too small, and you still get that nice snap feeling of the original AirPods box. So you can see there, it's just nicely around that hinge, and you can tell that it's all hand stitched, handmade. And yeah, it's just a great case. Can't recommend these enough. So there you have it, guys. That's the AirPods Native Union leather AirPods case for the Generation 3 in black. Hope that helped anyone who wanted to see it fit on the AirPods third generation and just see around the edges there and see how it fits. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.